Hi guys, welcome. This is Tanya. I'm using Shambor lipstick today for my full face and I'm trying to open it. Now, before I tell you anything about lipstick details, just want to let you know that you can subscribe to my channel and also you can follow me on Insta, Bridal MUA Tanya Delon. Now, this is a nude pink shade from Shambor that I'm using. It's a nice peachy shade and it's good for your office, good for any soft nude makeup with bold eyes, and you can use it for any daily look as well. You can even gift it to your family member like mom, any elderly person as well. It's not too bright. Now this lipstick can be used as blush and it can also be used as eyeshadow. I'm using this Vene brush. Now it is very important to blend the blush and you can do it with hands. You can even use a brush as you are comfortable. I'm using brush because I am comfortable with brush. I like it and it is very important to blend it. I don't like anything which is unblended. Now for eyes I'm using a small brush. It's a small blending brush and it's from Belle brushes. So I love this brush. It's a goat hair brush and it blends it very nicely. Now this is the Shambor highlighter which I'm using as an eyeliner as well. It's like you can use black liner, you can use Shambor highlighter as a liner, whatever you like. I wanted to create another look with highlighter on my eyes, and the salesperson told me it's a multi-purpose thing, so I'm using it on my eyes and on the cheekbone, high points of my cheekbone. You can use it under the brows like I'm doing it right now. And you can use it on your cheekbone, your nose, and your chin, or above the eyebrows as well. Whatever you like. It is multi-purpose. And now I'm using this Maybelline Colossal mascara. It's waterproof and it stays all day. And this is the final look. Let me know how you like this look, and you're ready to go for any party.